There are a group of people on radio and on TV. They still want John Mahama to satisfy them by telling them, say, they will be satisfied. John Mahama too is not ready to do that. And a typical example, Omanhene Komna Sante, any Obi Omoa Sempa. Omanhene Komna Sante, Omanhene Komna Sante, Neyiri Jumo Maritime Authority, Neyiri certification. What they did was, if you Omanhene Komna Sante, Obi Anoa, we have not been all these things. Shadiabano, Professor John Mahama, Andrew will share labor union or kind of simple and straightforward. Or say, Galamsey kunena form or position or catch the Ghana for. Say Galamsey no, and ya debia, you wouldn't say a dafoma a ye a cocketwa. Now, or faton who say Obeko Galamsey no, or see in a tear say, Galamsey could do Pempensobia, Obeko Krobisuno, I him for, I him a software, a chromuma, and it's your politicians, Omukromunya politicians, the businessmen, Omunyaji Omujimu. Or say, Diana a yen one crampon say, Edum Pempensobia. Omo was omukoko Galamsey it is a 9 months. Omo to me drew Krobiso. Na a chromo ma, a moi himfo, a moi hima, a mu businessman, a moi software, na omo need a 9 months na, a was omoko a ye Galamsey no, a contokwa. Or see, or per Ghana 40 as I say, aunt na Ghana for him, and Sebio, omo ye Juma, omo civil servant, or don't be dinkomo, and Chow Montro, or see, yen ni mabain, and yen ni amemo send ye tear. Dear, Owen wouldn't say, Abai ko na abai ba. Sebio abaya ekono emuni pa na ebia omo ya Galamsey no se aban foforo ba de omo ye ne se omo tumi ka kira aban foforo no muni pedi bia sebio omo nya omo adwene se omo bebo omo ya kikire man se oh na me ya Galamsey me na me ya chema wuntumi na me ya Galamsey me na me ya kedjemfua na me ya Galamsey me na me ya gabi ochidako na me ya Galamsey me na me ya kojo ponkruma na me ya Galamsey me na me ya kojo samia wuku me na me ya Galamsey me na me ya Charles Bisu de omo ye ne se omo ka se oh and yeah, any fraba mun dear, any concession we also dibi, na mame kakra. Or say, these are realities a woho. Or say, on Chobiantro, because NDC 4 doors will reasi doors or Ghana, on to mean kind obiano, or did this say, a bear say NDC 4 be crumple, Sebio Aban Sociano, or Mubi de Omhaji Galamsey. The president did not mince words. The president did not come to act as if say on a Ghanaian. You cannot tell me, say, Ghana Neatino. There is no NDC person, direct or indirect, involved in Galamsey. If I sit here and tell you that, I'm a kwasia. And then the president was realistic with the people. In fact, NDC for and I don't have control over every NDC person. But from my experience and as a Ghanaian, the probability, I can vouch for every NDC person or Ghana say NDC DB and Galamsey or see. Enyan wanwa onkede no ho enyan wanwa say NDC for the bi krampa omonti asem omonti afutuo a sebio omode omonyoma dwene so obabboa na manmu no e bia omoka eye Galamsey we ho nti ono de o ka che Ghana fo nyina say mumma ye nyina yenka ehumbom na yenkoko no enu tina ode 9 mu saba John Dramani Mahama onye kwasea wo because Sankendra John Mahama esia eye labor unions anka John Mahama ka kire omo say muni bibi I am telling labor union for say NDC ni bia ni wiase o Ghana o Galamsey anka mon kwasiafo amuti radio so kamaka se John Mahama gen say ye Jimmy Sankendra anka John Mahama ebegina TV so ka kire Ghana for say me ya NDC president me ya Ghana president me NDC ni metuma ka kire Ghana for nyina say NDC ni bia ni Ghana o Galamsey anka radio for journalist for TV say John Mahama mbu Ghana for o gen say ye Jimmy. But when John Mahama was honest, when John Mahama decided to speak the raw truth, Nana do dan kweku fuado at a point Minerals Commission beka chese chema to me at the illegal documentations to a good year ewo forest na on wanka sama embrasa yenko to a good year womuno Nana do dan kweku fuado be gina TV so ka chese say or no dear chema to me even though there are evidence to show say in krata free Minerals Commission chese or bokrono or yet illegal mine chep Nana kufuado ka chese say or no dear onjindi. He said it in our faces. This is a president. What about Ghana for him say, hey, me Jimmy Fu, me a president of Ghana. Dear minim. And as I sit here, ebi amena mwakumapa, but I cannot vouch for every single NDC person, directly or indirectly. I know me a Ghana need here. Ebi NDC libi o baby a ono so ya Galamsey ni bi. Inti muma ye nyina ye mbo ye homodin na ye den yanku okono. Sa asema John Mahama kan ye no. Does it mean say we admit to say ultimate fight Galamsey? Does it mean say John Mahama catch Ghana for say galamsey okono abani tuminko. This statement John Mahama made, it means to say some people in Ghana, some media personalities, Ghana for they are happy. They are always happy when politicians lie to them. Yes. Because a do point to be a politician, honest, no kind of correction Ghana for. Media for want to try and make it look like the politician should lie to satisfy them. You see, I feel say they're John Mahama Kayano. There are a group of people on radio and on TV. They still want John Mahama to satisfy them by telling them, say, Betramontro, send a they will be satisfied. John Mahama too is not ready to do that. And a typical example, Omanhene Komna Sante, any Obi Omoa Sempa. Omanhene Komna Sante, ne yiri adwuma Maritime Authority. Ne yiri certification illegal. Ne yiri the ways and means and Maritime Authority. Omanhene Komna Sante. Today, see, publishing a year resume, the wife will have to be sacked for Maritime Authority. I'm telling you. Omanhene Komna Sante of Asempa, illegality and MPP for piano Maritime Authority. They even gave the wife a higher position which she did not deserve. Our son Kamenoka say salary am managing or no, she's supposed to refund that salary when she was given that position she didn't deserve. But have you heard Omanhene Komna Sante speak about illegality at Maritime Authority? No. You know why? It is because Jimmy. Now, and the on radio, so and what did they try to do? John Mahama being honest with Ghanaians, all kind of credit Ghana for no. What they did was, if you are Omanhene Komna Sante Obi Anoa, we have not been fair to Ekufuado. Enkwasiafo. We have not been fair to Ekufuado. When they be a forest, this young galamsey womb. Why not the party chairman, now Oya Galamsey, documentations, Minerals Commission, Edichair Oka say he does not care. One and the sector minister actually a whole report, SIT, a whole party executives in the report say, he did not do anything about it. Omanhene Komna Sante Obi mu yankwasiafo. Telling Ghana for say we owe Ekufuado an apology. Ekufuado, a foolish man who opened the forest for people to go mine. Nana do danko Ekufuado kwasi ampenya ya chira report this shade in some say take action on the report. This person are involved na ototwene ya no kwasiafo. We owe Ekufuado an apology. Are you people stupid? Because John Mahama has been honest with Ghanaians. John Mahama I can crash Ghana for say, you know, this fight meant to me vouching every NDC person. I believe some call for the as John Mahama speaks, Yanchi NDC Nibia and Faniko Jina court in 1-4. So you cannot say John Mahama is aware, say NDC Nibi, Galamsey. The statement he was making, he wanted it to understand, say, as far as Oye Nipa, Sebio NDC 4 doors, over thousands, no, the probability, say NDC Nibia Galamsey, it is high. So John Mahama was being realistic with Ghanaians. John Mahama nyeku for the campaign no be gina ho abra onim se problem wo ho then he's dancing around it. No. Na mum yanko tie Komna Sante any Obi.
The first step to really having an honest conversation around Galamsey. Now the ball is in the court of the president. Once I went say wa won call for a woman. Now it means say
Obi but also unpretend you.
Yeah, sure.
All this while he's in the know.
I should think so.
Okay. No, by the statement.
Yeah, by this statement, that is on him all this while.
All this while.
In the afternoon, YNE. And I think the job of the president is really cut out. The campaign promise was specific. Say, and Kolana ya ne wo pit ni monenye omo e na aban ni ba bedi wonachi. Aban ni pe campaigns no because campaigns na what see omo a what to adianase from the root. And if campaigns nenso ewo ho a na onim say bi mu ye the party for then the president should help the whole country.
Okay.
Na party for no yensan ka won na illegality no to anything.
I think that we have been unfair to Nana Danko Akufo-Addo in his fight against Galamsey. You know, we really have been unfair. Because it was also clear that MPP4 mapa no mutu for magudia omuntu no ne kwanso.
Yes.
You see, intina na me say onyame beko so ahira onu team no for monokredi any more principal stance on some of these matters.
Yes. It's not making any sense. We have not been fair to Akufo-Addo because that in call for be a to gala. Did Ekufuado ever admit on national television say MPP vote to Galamsey? Kwasiafo. Mo Ekufuado achachana oto no. Akwana between national license free gym e posted in Mexico no. Nana the Danko Ekufuado, did he ever for once even admit to say MPP4 are involved in Galamsey? Did he ever once? Do you have one tape of Ekufuado Baumia admitting say one of their members, even at the end of the day, Minerals Commission edit document say Chairman Wontumi is working illegally? Did Ekufuado even admit when he got the opportunity to tell Ghanaians that he is sorry that a chairman in his party is involved per the document from Minerals Commission? Nana do Danko Ekufuado dey no ka kire Nkwasiafo when he got the opportunity to prove himself, say onye Jimmy for, and that he is not behind the Galamsey no. Dey no ka kire.
Needed as a nation in these times. From the pulpit, do encourage hard work, understanding work as a vocation, and patriotism as a virtue that Ghanaians must continue to embrace in this new year and beyond, so that Ghana will remain a shining star of Africa and a key player on the world stage. Let me respond briefly to the chairperson on the issue of illegal mining. I want to assure him and all of you that Akonta Mining is not engaged in any illegal mining anywhere in Ghana as we speak. Is not in, and all of you that Akonta Mining is not engaged in any illegal mining anywhere in Ghana as we speak. Further, the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources has, through the agency of the Forestry Commission, with the assistance of the military, made the effort to cordon off all 294 sites of forest reserves in the country and rid them of illegal mining as we speak.
The foolishness of a foolish man. Ojina Ghana for him catch say Akonta Mining. Chairman Wontumi mining. And yini forest, dear forest, or catch the TV so it's not involved. That was after the Minerals Commission released the statement. Kwasiafo, we owe Ekufuado an apology. Akwa we about to national license regime, a mail in Mexico. We owe him an apology. And I'm going to teach you so I'm bodam. And I'm going to teach radio this one. I'm bodam. This fake ass nigga with this fake accent telling us Akonta Mining is not involved in illegal mining. Now, a whole institution that has been given the authority to make sure nobody mines illegal in Ghana, a release statement said, Chairman Wontumi was involved in illegal mining. You foolish people are sitting on TV telling Ghanaians to say, we owe this Achichidie, this Ekufuado, this black ass nigga, fake accent nigga way. We need to apologize to him. This is the same nigga who opened the forest for people to go mine inside. Nana Danko Ekufuado, this short nigga. This is the same nigga who opened the forest, put an ally, gave it to Samuel Abu Jinapor to go open our virgin forest for Chairman Wontumi, Kate Jemfua, Samia Wuku, Kojo Ponkruma, all the MPs and ministers to enter our forest. This short nigga, he was the same person who was given a report by the sector minister, Professor Frimpong Boateng, said on taking action. This short nigga, this fake ass nigga, this fake accent nigga did not take any action. Okojina 24 said to him, Ekan Kwasa Semcho 24 said to not report this and the two. We owe this short nigga an apology. Mo bottom. Who owes Ekufuado an apology? Ekufuado go kopie Iran and ke hangino. Ekufuado kopie North Korea and ke hangino. You know what? He did more damage to this nation than Bonsam. You say, Jimmy, you are buying time for Ekufuado. You are buying time for Ekufuado. You want to clean Ekufuado. Ekufuado a political Bonsam. Anamujin say esro bibio. Anamujin say san nigga way mobe brabre Ekufuado nkwasi ade so nanke Ekufuado take action and can Galamsey ge wa ha. Huh? Nana do danko Ekufuado. Ebie na no ka kire say Akonta Mining by Chairman Wontumi. Yet tikrodum na Chairman Wontumi betina radio so asantememu. Okache otumfo say o go the chen otumfo na otumfo ye na kwa kwasiafo. Wontumi bie manu ankasa. We owe Ekufuado an apology. That short ass nigga. That nigga you can put in a fridge and ship to Mexico. This thing Mo bottom. And you see, young penemo mamon kreti and buy any cut any slack for anybody. John Mahama was truthful to Ghanaians. John Mahama only NDC Libya bottom, only every single NDC Libya fee, only the minds of every NDC person. He's being realistic and he's being Ghanaian. He's telling you, Okasano on Kideno, there could be or there might be some people involved, and the probability of NDC Libya Galam so Ghana high. I think John Mahama NDC Vonya than the fee. So he's being realistic about the issues. And Nitina, he is more ready to resource 9 months. And compare Galamsey to Galamsey and the Kufuado. And the people don't even talk about illegal mining because they are seeing the work 9 months is doing. They are seeing the impact the government is putting into the fight against corruption. Galamsey, go and ask the lands minister. Ama Kofibo has been at every part of this nation fighting illegal mining. We have seen the effective job people are doing. Kwasiafo, Mufri Cocoa, Namako electricity, Namabesna Bako cocoa board, Namabesna ko gold board, Namako bank, Muni baby Munjina, a limited liability company Namube defending. Medility way. Enti John Mahama Simo Kano, no cretro do Mamunties Uncle for medility every system nim. Yen dility another story. And let me play this video. Must we owe Ekufuado an apology. My team is a member video when Chiremo. Professor Frimpong Boateng Kotina Joy News. Ne Ekufuado the president. Atichidie we. And there also Congo or Sovun Tokwa. No, on it Rebecca Ekufuado Tokwa so we. Sa kwa we betu babona license regime embele na ko Cambodia no. Mo be ka just say we have not been fair to Ekufuado. A nigger like that, a short nigger like that, a deceitful nigger like that, a fake ass accent nigger like that, we owe him what? Maybe Professor Frimpong Boateng Okotna eye Joy News. Say these are the things that has gone on. Ekufuado knows about it. What did you people say? Today, Mokache say we owe Ekufuado an apology. Anka could di adwa bini. To apologize to Ekufuado, kebedi adwa bini.
I gave documentary evidence, pictures, video, and several reports. And a lot of them on pen drive and so on.
So then the AG's point that you gave the media publications is correct, instead of hard evidence.
What does it mean by hard evidence? I mean, somebody who has written a report, what evidence do you expect from me, apart from words, documents, videos, and things, pictures? I'm not an investigating agent. That's not my job. I was a chairman of a committee, and I wrote a report. So you have to go around and see whether what I'm saying is not true. I mean, look, listen to me.
Professor Frimpong Boateng produced video evidence, pictures, and articles and everything. Godfrey Damiano, Attorney General, went after Professor Frimpong Boateng. Kwasiafo, we owe Ekufuado an apology. His own Attorney General was going after his own minister. Momotiti asempower asa mo bobo dam. O Omanhene kobra santi. Kope Ozempic bi numo. Na wo hwo anjojo. Kope Ozempic bi num na wo to enjo. Kope Ozempic num na wo fu njo. Na motranya kwekeka kwansati tatam ho no. We owe Ekufuado an apology. Who owes Ekufuado an apology? Kobra santi. Kope Ozempic ni kope bi num. Na enkwasi ade na motese te wono ya mpene mamu mfa jandam bia ngu system nim Ekufuado, nobody's going to apologize to him. John Mahama has been straightforward and truthful, and he's going to fight the fight. Or see Yenyina needs to be on board. You delete way, jandam is done. Maybe be delete another thing. The next thing to delete, teacher licensure exams. Gary Taylor. Teacher licensure exams, and then Matisse MPP for na started. Obviously, Ayarega, I cannot parliament to say, NDC say they were not going to cancel teacher licensure exams. MPP, a limited liability company, now, new legislation, and they are passing legislation. They are passing in Rafufro. Moi, Muslim teacher for Mako school kakra. Moi, modern what training colleges. Muntiemi, Modia Munim Nyansa MPP for. Test conform Jimmy. Muntiemi. I'm about to delete this one too. You deleted the enemy. You really upload it. You jambo honoma koda. You change your biabe pay. So 2020 John Mahama second term. New legislation new legislation to incorporate teacher licensure exams into final year examinations of teacher trainees. it bars untrained teachers from taking the licensure exams. Tie brofo no. New legislation to incorporate teacher licensure exams into final year examination of teacher trainees. It bars untrained teachers from taking the licensure exams. Now, as I say, and the MPP for namna omucha tro say NDC for kaso omucha licensure exams. Na licensure exams no, and you say NDC for so muntwem. Now, let's delete the jandam. NDC in opposition from 2020 to 2024. John Mahama and the NDC always said the day you be yesiwo say obi ekotro teacher licensure exams abra nipa no failed no, it is not right. Tie the NDC in opposition John Mahama kaye or ka say sa adia teacher ni wo failed e chirade ni akotu na sede na ba say ye the one day bia betina ho betina class natural exams bia your friend licensure exams na one pass ya untimi nchirade no na John Mahama ni NDC say omabo nyoso. What John Mahama ni NDC for come from opposition and say opesa we licensure exams why don't you do that exams Oman Kurani yesa exams no when they are about to pass out of training college? Because you don't allow the kid to go through 4 years or 3 years in training college. While starting extra then you pick one day and say, go and do some exams. Intinima amie with that day now. When to man try exams that day now, I do a question of school in then. I say no. But John Mahama and NDC say they wanted to inculcate. So I'm a former team. Say a inculcator. Yet the adiebi sha diebim. Send your beya ninano ebejina pim fa pim ba koso. Meaning sa exams no NDC for did not agree say ente no ho. That exams could have been taken whilst the student is in school taking their final exams. Into the NDC anka say teacher licensure exam no what they were against it say exams na akora ne kira dia wa be teacher na also onkotro na wentumi ampass ya we yin di the career end no o say exams no you have to make sure say they take the exams in school. Their final exams, it is part of their final exams before they exit to come and teach. It is the same way NDC for in 2014, Kacha Ghana for say they wanted to substitute teacher trainee allowance for them to take loan. And MPP for Kacha Ghana for say John Mahama so obecha allowam mutie. John Mahama in 2014-15 Kacha teacher trainee college students say Samafa loan. Na omoye degree because of your upgrade your marco degree ya baby upgrade mu nyina ko degree na mo smile den magi loan instead of den alawa send your buyer aban betumi e de sa alawa na abe replace the development of the schools. Into the government did not cancel alawa. John Mahama administration 2015 catch Ghana for students say they wanted to substitute one upgrade schools in yaba degree at the Legon Tech any schools now when degree no now most access to loan. Send a buyer alawano government can keep it and build more schools. And then the MPP for fire on catch Ghana for say John Mahama and NDC in 2015 almost on the trial. That is the same thing they are doing with teacher licensure exams. Now let's step back a little bit. Team, stay with me. The problem with the MPP is almost brofo, and I think say the word inculcate. Inculcate. You can say Bibia inculcate this into your activity. And to say oton nyoma ewo edien PZ. Na sebio o sorry na waton nyoma where you belt the good table so. Also the pay oton phones. Na o the phones na ko race course. Na sebio o sorry na ko race course. No abesina ko PZ na o dia ko niaba and obi said abi. The best thing to do in the say phones now turn no race course no and ne eye belt now turn no PZ no fani me nyina gu store baakum se ne be ya obi pe belt ene phones ato onko PZ no mbesen ko race course obetumi ewura shop nim na wotuma to bibia so you are inculcating o de eno so kan o de ni nyina bom se ne be ya easy ama odwadini na obedi dwa no into aba Kevin Taylor shop e wo PZ Kevin Taylor shop na o PZ no ya ton belt ene ya saton de phones onko race course enko Kevin Taylor shop enko to phone so ensan fa nantie ema obi nko robino ema obi nko gini sika ensan ba PZ say or ba beto den or ba beto belt until you inculcate the two inculcate no and I'm MPP foot soldiers link was for more social media no omontia say mama chiro and I'm going to prove it say NDC they have been consistent from opposition in 2020 about the teacher licensure exams. Inti na NDC kasi yebetwema na omo kase sa exams na obi chira de ne etu da ba ko se onko chira exams na NDC so betwem but they said say sa exams no you can take it back into the schools for them to take it as their final examination. Send a beya you can access them before they exit the training college. Inti we go back to 2020. Let me show you. This is 2020 NDC. Time na omoka teacher licensure exam. John Dramani Mahama. Let's go to 2020.
I believe that if we improve the examination, the final exam that they take, and we improve the quality of teaching and learning in the colleges of education, you don't need for them to pass their exams, come out, and go back and write a licensing exam. And so when we come into office, we'll take out the licensing exam, we'll improve the quality of teaching and learning in the colleges of education so that when they pass their exam for the colleges, you know that this is a person who is a professional teacher and can handle the children that they'll be given.
This is 2020. John Mahama has been straightforward. He has been consistent. Or say it is all about teacher licensure. You don't have to. You have to infuse it. You have to inculcate. You improve the examination at the schools. The colleges of education, almost pass it out. Let them take that exams there in the school. And yes, about Bontino, or Chadiano, and our because licensure exams. Video I'm about you 2020. John Mahama has been consistent. 2024. This is John Dramani Mahama.
Licensure exams, you can watch them 2020. You can hold that. You can watch them that 2020. And to assume say, and you say, what is the colleges of education no? At the almost Kwadano, a new pempens a baby, a was a draw. I was so young bibi na omutimi eyo exams no mu pie. Eye dan na enkwada on beba training college 4 years. No mature exam. Afibia omo exam. Afibia omo exam. Edru 4th year no mature final exam. No more pass it. Ya pass here we are just on my teacher for no. No ask waka say almost ambe tro exam bibium. Asana maji omo to be some teacher for. Ezu enti ya dey see about licensure exam no you be year free ho. Ni ahwe nhihia ya be ye and making sure say nipa bia obekọ college of education obewie no na eche say oye teacher ni akugudam oye teacher ni a onim mejuma e wo so obeye.
This is John Dramani Mahama in 2024, still consistent. Why don't you improve the examination? So what teacher licensure be a momunya the final year time on college of education. Why do you keep that exams and hold on to it and say, what pass it out if you may have a test? That is why Obi a teacher near they go for refresher course, they go for cumulative assessment near that. So you don't bring an exams one and say, one man pass the exam, say we know obey licensure exam. John Mahama said, take it back. Move it from there and add it to their syllables. Let them take it as a final exams. John Mahama in 2024, still consistent.
And we're going to do that. We'll abolish teacher licensure exams. We'll abolish teacher licensure exams and integrate it into the licensing process in their final year exam.
2024, we will abolish and integrate it, incorporate, inculcate. These are the same words. They all fit in one. Integrate, incorporate, inculcate. John Dramani Mahama, consistency from 2020 to 2024. His final address to the nation, he was still consistent. Memo Bianca said NDC teacher licensure NDC said they are going to abolish it and add it to the final exams before the teachers come out of school. It has been deleted. Jandam bienwo ya pepa weso. Jandam bienwo NDC, they have been consistent. We have deleted this. Now, this story and the NPP minority in parliament. Minority in parliament and the a press conference be. Me good party mo MPP mo se mo Jimmy. Now, the minority in parliament is raising concerns over what it describes as a creeping state capture involving the brother of President John Dramani Mahama, businessman Ibrahim Mahama. According to the caucus, Ibrahim Mahama is allegedly taking control of significant portion of Ghana's mining sector, raising questions about fairness and transparency. A minority of parliament, a MPP minority. Nani Paul Lidi, a press conference near former deputy foreign affairs minister. Manwe or Kromfo say, "Ma chemo edanya owie sika koto no UK wey." Onem bada omo se koko hye de tunti omo ne ndabium. Oto edan poli be enum e wo UK. Ona na the foreign affairs deputy minister. Akwa not right one. Ono na ndo be press conference. Now the press conference ni say o say I omo dom kuma omo parliament mbebedility. Omo de omo bibi say eye Ghana eye egudie etuo eye mine no omo bibi omo ye edomkuo LLC no eye MPP LLC no limited liability company na e parliament no omo so who say I John Mahama e fakulty kwan bi so e de Ghana eye egudie etuo ni nyina ma ne nua Ibrahim Mahama into omo de omo ntiase edomkuma the LLC in parliament papa na olidi sa sa press conference no on the deputy and the Kufuado deputy foreign affairs minister koko share to ofo ba no ba ja no we wie sika kototo down wo UK kromfo bia ne nse but e be delete into any no time koko share to inti ofa girl bia na girl de ja no o wie sika wa kototo down wo UK ye de nyina ba be kire mo ne dan ni nyina. How did he get money to acquire all those houses in the UK? Kromfo we or you say me name the story. No, and the deputy minister of foreign affairs, a Ribian and say, Aquawi. Mumbusan say, a dino to tell the UK on your skaway. Quasia Obeka Ghana some. Ukoko show to a chayabi ni. Wabe Jinaba catcher say, I won't tiasian a dien, mummy and dility. Now, team, stay, team, focus. All right. Now, asem way asema MPP dom kuma abeka afenyo ma kene small mo na ma memgusa wasem bi adentina sa asem way eba ye say indigenous companies in Ghana. Last me busa MPP for one question. Now me just on my press conference no they were going to mention about 10 companies that can compete with Ibrahim Mahama's E&P in Ghana when it comes to mining. But don't say interestingly enough oh, say MPP want to be mentioned only one company could be compete with Ibrahim Mahama's company, a indigenous Ghana company, and what the capacity say Ibrahim Mahama's E&P. The reason is that for now there are companies in Ghana, but their capacity cannot beat Ibrahim Mahama's company. Now there's one thing ebia on share for winning koho. Sankeba mine honsem eba egudie ye to gold, diamond, there. Who is the best person to be leading that conversation on behalf of the NPP? It is supposed to be Samuel Abu Jinapo. Anamebwa. Sadia we among for NPP for catch Ghana for say I da mine na aircono. Se siano oma to say yes indigenous Ghanaian companies should take over a mine for Ghanaians to operate and Ghanaians to make money. Adentina Samuel Abu Jinapo, who was the deputy to Samuel Abu Jinapo as the land minister. Adentina Samuel Abu Jinapo, na oye the head, oye the minister who was in charge of a ministry no and Kufuado no. Why hasn't Samuel Abu Jinapo spoken on this matter? And Samuel Abu Jinapo, oye kwasia. This guy is a former deputy foreign affairs minister. Samuel Abu Jinapo is the former land minister. So if there's somebody who is supposed to address this matter, say Ampara, John Mahama, Chinchim Ghana Fonsa, Edi Damai Mine no Amaninia Ibrahima. Why is it say the person who always sat at cabinet, the person na oti Ekufuado enim debia any Ekufuado edin komo about minds in government in Ghana, how to protect Ghanaian minds, you know? Why has Samuel Abu Jinapor moved away from this conversation? It's a question you need to be asking yourselves. Adentra. Because when we start to talk about defense, you will see Nito Wona the Siashino, no in parliament, no TATM, because he used to be a former defense minister. When we talk about things concerning health, you will see Obiana or your former health minister speaking in parliament, making noise. When we talk about trade, why is it say when it comes to lands, when it comes to a good DNA the idea, the former land minister who is Samuel Abu Jinapor and the Ekufuado's governance, why hasn't he spoken on this matter? He is supposed to be leading this charge. He is supposed to be having this press conference. He is supposed to be telling us to say, I am pa John Mahama Pesa Ode Damai Mino, Edema Ibrahim Mahama, engineers and planners. Why hasn't Samuel Abu Jinapor spoken? The reason why Samuel Abu Jinapor hasn't spoken is because Samuel Abu Jinapor nimne kreno. Samuel Abu Jinapor na oye land minister ma MPP na or parliament no. Obo to a damango. Or come a businessman be $10,000 on from Remy. Na minja na asem kano. Samuel Abu Jinapor has the answer to this problem. But to him, MPP, this limited liability company, their strategy in say, chatro, consistently chatro na intro number no kre. Yebenya enkwasiafo bi so Omanhene Kobna Asantia ohia Ozempic. Oni obi na omotito enkwasiafo no to also do what? Push your jandam. But our job here is to delete jandam. Your job here is to make sure atrona ebeko system no yede no kre ebe say sa atrono. So the question here is, Adentina Samuel Abu Jinapor na onu nehwe sector no so no, he is still in parliament, he is speaking a lot. Why has he moved away from this conversation? It is because the MPP government the MPP government knows MPP for no more parliament ni na no omunim say MPP and a starting process way to hand over Daman mining no to Ibrahim Mahama's ENP. In 2024, Nanado Danko Ekufuado Abaino, Samuel Abu Jinapor no minister, whoever he succeeded or whoever succeeded him, no, they knew that the only Ghanaian company that could take over Daman gold mine, no, ENP, engineers and planners, Ibrahim Mahama dia. Now the funny thing is, they just didn't sit there and say, oh, Ibrahim Mahama or you'll be other for MPP mo. The Daman company, the mine itself, how many Ibrahim Mahama company na yejuma che. And technically, all the mining na Daman goldfields na omuyeno. It was done by EMP. The Daman company, they were just administrated, or they were just an administrative body. So because of me administrative body, when it comes to moving earth, ye tu a good no, ye move wakwaha, ye shishabubano, ye tu amenano, ye boss safety, ye boss shuttles, ye boss day. It was done by Ibrahim Mahama because he was the only company, EMP, omukwana ne capacity no to do that job for Daman mining. And even though not Daman mining in Ghana for Diano, 99% of the job that was being done at their field, at their mines, mining, omutu, omo blasting, omo sisabobano, omo beer shuffle, shuttles, whatever they call it, shafts, omo ura f1, omo beer different sites, no. The 99% of that job na EMP and a Daman are contracting na all year. It Daman na ajin say obe fold up, obe free Ghana no in 2024 no. They saw it right. They said the only company that can do that job Ghana no, it was EMP, Ibrahim Mahama's company. Now let's go into the details. Approval for acquisition of Daman mine by engineers and planners was granted by former land minister Samuel Abu Jinapor in March 2024. These are facts. March 2024, and as Samuel Abu Jinapor na oil land minister, granted approval. Edema engineers and planners and the Ekufuado And Oka said they are the only company in Ghana. Daman for no, I suggest ya mom say they can take over the mine. Say Omu Free Ghana Sisia, the only indigenous Ghanaian company that has the capability, the capacity, the earth moving equipment. Run this mine in the name of Ghana. No, it is only engineers and planners. Into someone Abujinapo and oil land minister. No, he had no option than to call Ibrahim Mahama's EMP and call Daman to sit and draft a document to prove, say, Ibrahim Mahama can take over the Daman and operate it. Ebabeye Ghana for dia. So, enye John Mahama, and 2025 about power. Eka said, Daman mining, no, Ibrahim Mahama and Kofa. No, it started all the way back in 2023, 2024, and as Samuel Abujinapo. Nana the Danko Kufuor the MPP no granted permission no, the approval of acquisition. Bronika say approval of acquisition. Omu be a coin to was say Ibrahim Mahama between Daman for Kasa I take over the mine. So you see, when you look at this document, a document the NPP cannot deny. Let me enlarge it. Na kwa siebin kase Kevin Taylor the fake document at 2 screen so. Now, when you look at this is a document that was basically put together in the year 2024, the 12th of March 2024, under Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Samuel Abujinapo as the land minister. Now, read here, the Chief Executive Officer, Engineers and Planners, Company Limited, C121 Alajo Road, of Olusegun Obasanjo Highway, blah, blah, that's the address. Dear sir, now, the heading of the letter very well. Dear Nawachro, request for notice of no objection pursuant to Section 52 of the Minerals and Mining Act 2006, Act 703. Remember, Mami ending can minimize way. The Daman mine, no. Ibrahim Mahama has been working with Daman mine, no, sir, Daman Goldfields, no, since 2002. Sir mining na what Daman Goldfields na omo mining gold, no. Na Ibrahim Mahama the equipment and omo mining, no. Abrofuno they were just administrators. Oh, let's go and buy this. Oh, let's go and buy this. Let's do the math. Oh, this one to go here. Oil. But when it comes to running the mine, equipment and yedi two a good deal no yedi two form yedi blade pipes yedi na Ibrahim Mahama from 2002 and he has been their customer until they decided to leave Ghana. So technically the Daman Goldfields, you know, they have known Ibrahim Mahama's the work, the efficiency, how he's able to deliver, and they know his capability. Someone will hand over the mine to him, Krampona. They know for a fact to say he has been doing most of the work for them. It's from 2002, and Ibrahim Mahama, and Omaye Juma as a contractor, as a sole mining contractor, EMP, or a year Daman for Aye Juma to 2017 as a sole contractor. Or ye Juma sa from 2002. Now, Goldfields, and I said Takwa Daman Goldfields, it decided say, Omo per se, Omo relinquish, and I said Omo per se, Omo ja mine and Omo kono. The only company they decided to at the end of the day speak to in 2023 was EMP, which is Engineers and Planners, Ibrahim Mahama company. No, when they decided to abandon the mine, the only company they believe or know for a fact to say, in 2023, no, it was Ibrahim Mahama's company, and they engage here. Say mo, and the only Ghanaian company from 2002 and 2017, no, and till now, no, much say you have the capability to run this mine. Now, what happened was that they basically released a statement, and this came from the ministry. And when you read the statement, which was signed by Samuel Abujinapo, Maybe reading ma chiro bibi. John Mahama only any interest and you're in the leading BBS or the Takwa Daman Mine or Emma Ibrahim Mahama. This has been something that the discussion started in 2023 under Ekufuado, under Baumia, when Samuel Abu Jinapor was the minister. Inter then Obitina TV so can say John Mahama ton Ghana a good dear minds the man in Ibrahim Mahama. Now when you read the document, this is what it says. Request for notice. May really head your letter dated 8 March 2024 on the above subject matter refers. Subsequent to your letter, the Honorable Minister, that is Samuel Abu Jinapor, requested for the advice and recommendation of the Minerals Commission pursuant to Section 102 of the Minerals and Mining Act 2006, Act 703, which was received on the 12th of March 2024. The Commission indicates that your company has gained considerable experience in mining and is currently engaged in contract mining for Aboso Goldfields Limited Daman Gold Mine. Based on the representation or representations in your letter and on the recommendation of the Minerals Commission, the Honorable Minister for Lands and Natural Resources has no objection to Engineers and Planners Company Limited entering into negotiations with Abosu Goldfields Limited for the purpose of acquiring the Daman mine. This objection, however, does not affect the rights of the government of Ghana to approve or reject any transaction and or agreement concluded between the parties. Accordingly, any agreements concluded between you on one hand and Abosu Goldfields Limited on the other hand shall be subject to express approval of otherwise of the government of Ghana. For the avoidance of doubt, any such agreement shall not be valid, and no right shall pass under such an agreement without the consent of the government of Ghana. This no objection is granted subject to the above reservation. Thank you. Sincerely yours, Professor Patrick K. Agbenseleye, Chief Director for Minister. This letter came from Samuel Abu Jinapor's office. And you know the interesting thing about this letter? So we read the letter now. Who were CC'd? The Honorable Minister, Ministry of Lands and Natural Resource, Accra. That is Samuel Abu Jinapor. The Chief Executive Officer, Minerals Commission. So this letter is basically a confirmation that the government of Ghana basically looked at the negotiations, spoke to the Minerals Commission, and came to a conclusion that engineers and planners deserve to take over the Daman mine. Inti na obitumitina radio so, etna TV so, eka so a politician, eka so a MP, a MPP ni kachire Ghana for say, John Mahama ba power no, ena watam Daman mine, ediama Ibrahim Mahama. This started all the way back in 2023. NPP Abain gave him the green light, spoke to Daman, spoke to Ibrahim, spoke to the Minerals Commission and said, you are the right people to take over this concession. So why is it say ende? Because yen cannot cray. Because we just want to destroy people. And this is make a change for say, majority of you mudru Ghana mubeko jail. You just don't hate people because of who they are. You don't just put people in a particular place because you don't like them. Because you cannot destroy such people. Because whatever they do to make their money, so why the natural or raw hatred towards somebody? Because at the end of the day, John Dramani Mahama, only any hand in this Daman takeover by EMP, if it is even ready. So I don't know why an MP Adentina MPP for betina parliament, betina radio. So I don't know why a journalist or somebody in Ghana will sit and say John Mahama or Betom Ghana good dear Ediamaninia. Echawe kwasia. Guys, let's get serious in Ghana. The NPP, led by Kufuor and Bawumia, they saw to the process. They made sure. Say, Ibrahim Mahama on the Daman for years. You know, he was the only company that qualified to take that site over. Entire day and day, you to radio, so near shed that can't sound to Nipaso. Me Ibrahim Mahama, me nuko siyawe, me huni da in my life. Ibrahim Mahama, my eye, me kame mami or wo me, ene me papa, ene me mama womo. I have not seen Ibrahim Mahama with my naked eye before. But why should I hate him? Why should I speak ill of him when I don't have the facts? Why should I sit down and create an impression to say, me time will be, or because story be about because then you are a president? No. Me Ibrahim Mahama, me who to come put that in my life. So be Ibrahim Mahama the menu who kon Nyankopon kum anadwi. I've not even set eyes on him. Me who nipa ban send your tieda. The only time Ibrahim Mahama on TV so on social media, I've never seen him in my life. But you see, we don't sit on this planet and deliberately destroy people. The same NPP that oversaw, or made sure they monitored and made sure this process was legitimately done under their regime. No? Today they are sitting on TV and on radio and making it look like, say, John Mahama na tam a good day, down my mind, Ediama Ibrahim Mahama, by NPP. Someone abujina upon a sign here, the chief director, the president knew about it, Bawumia knew about it, Ekufuor knew about it. They did this deal. So, then and the John Mahama about power. Now, I say he wants Ghanaians to own our minds. Now, a transaction that was started in 2023, people wanted to look like John Mahama was starting in there. Why? Why should we hate people because of who they are? Why should we hate people because of who their relation is? Why should we deliberately lie about people? Or because me, I don't have any connection to Ibrahim Mahama and I don't need it. I don't. And it does not mean, he said, because I don't need anything from Ibrahim Mahama or any connection with him, I should sit here and obi can try to neswa. That is not me. That should not be how we do our politics. We should not destroy our own. This guy has gone through hell under MPP in 2016. We were here, a whole bauxite that this guy could have mined. Mining bauxite and mining gold, there's a vast difference. I don't think I'll do in Chinese for Ghana, I'm mining bauxite. I don't think Australia for Ghana, I'm mining bauxite. I don't think British and Americans, I'm Ghana, I'm mining bauxite. The amount of money you need to mine bauxite, you will need about 10 times the amount of mining bauxite. No, so I'm mining bauxite. Sikana or the mining bauxite, no, it will be 1% to pay the bit for mining gold. So percent would gold Sikako mining bauxite over here 100 times the money of gold money to mine bauxite. It is not easy. Exploring bauxite, baby, it is millions of dollars. So let's not sit here and destroy people because we hate a political party because of his relation to the president. He did not decide to be the president's brother. The parents, they decided that Ibrahim Mahama should be the brother of John Mahama. That should not decide his destiny. And Ibrahim Mahama being John Mahama's brother should not decide John Mahama's destiny. And if he chose that path to do his business, to make sure he builds his own empire and help this nation by employing Ghanaians, we should not deliberately sit and say, you best say the panel, or because his relation is to the president. No. Into MPP, no, I'm a very dangerous political party. I'm going to answer. The
MPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words.